Hello, this is a dance called Celebrate. It's a 32 count, 4-wall beginner line dance. It has one tag after the first wall. Section 1. Weights on the left. Walk, 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 sway, 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 sway. Section 2. Back, 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 sway, 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 sway. Section 3, do a one to the right, a one to the left with a quarter turn. Side, behind, side. Touch, side, behind, side, brush. Section 4, a V-step, out, out, in, out, in. Just a dance. I'm going to do the dance with the counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this dance has one 8 count tag. After the first wall, you'll be facing the 9 o'clock wall. The side, touch, side, touch, side, touch, side, touch. I'll do the tag with a count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're ready to start the dance again. Just a new wall. Thank you very much. Enjoy the dance.